Hey adventurers, have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered what's up there? Way, way up there? Today, we're going on an epic journey through the layers of our amazing atmosphere. So buckle up, because we're blasting off. Our journey starts right here on the ground, in the first layer called the Troposphere. Look around. This is where we live, breathe, and where all our weather happens. See those fluffy clouds, the rain, and the wind? That's all Troposphere action. Even the airplanes we see soaring across the sky are flying right here in this layer, along with colorful hot air balloons. It's a busy place. Okay, let's go higher. Whoosh! Welcome to the Stratosphere. It's much calmer up here, which is why some super-fast jets prefer to fly in this layer. But the most important thing in the Stratosphere is something you can't see, the ozone layer. Think of it as Earth's giant sunglasses, protecting all of us from the sun's strong rays. Without it, it would be way too sunny and dangerous down on Earth. Thank you, ozone layer. Climbing even higher, we enter the Mesosphere. It gets really cold up here. This layer is like Earth's bodyguard. When meteors, or shooting stars, come zooming towards our planet, they burn up right here in the Mesosphere, creating those beautiful streaks of light we see at night. It's nature's very own fireworks show, protecting us from space rocks. So next time you make a wish on a shooting star, you'll know you're looking at the Mesosphere in action. All right, let's keep going. We're now in the Thermosphere. The air here is super thin, but guess what? It's getting hotter. This is where you'll find satellites zipping around the Earth, helping us with our phones, TV, and GPS. It's also home to the amazing northern and southern lights, or auroras. These beautiful dancing curtains of light are created when particles from the sun interact with this layer. It's like a cosmic light show. We've reached the final frontier, the very edge of our atmosphere, the Exosphere. This is where our atmosphere slowly fades into the vastness of space. There's almost no air up here, just a few particles floating around. Satellites that orbit really far from Earth hang out here. From this point on, it's all outer space. Wow, what a trip! From the clouds in the Troposphere through the protective Stratosphere, the meteor-zapping Mesosphere, the satellite-filled Thermosphere, all the way to the edge of space in the Exosphere. Our atmosphere is an incredible, multi-layered shield that makes life on Earth possible. Thanks for exploring with me today. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome adventures. See you next time.